YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix agent terminated due to error in your Google Antigravity. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video to fix this issue. First thing is guys, you retry the prompt. Sometimes the agent crash because of the temporary server or the model issues. So you click try again. If it still fails, so start a new conversation. Another thing is guys, you simply reset your anti-gravity onboarding. This is the one of the most common recommendation fixes. So you simply press Ctrl Shift if you are using the window. For Mac, Ctrl Shift P. So you simply Ctrl Shift and P. So Ctrl Shift P. Okay, here you simply search reset boarding, anti-gravity reset boarding. Okay, then guys, you disable your MCP servers. Faulty MCP server can cause the agent to terminate. So open your more options and go to MCP servers. So if you find easily, so here you go for the MCP servers. If you are using in customization here, if you are add any MCP servers, so guys please try to remove and refresh of them. Okay, then guys, you try to restart your application. For restarting, simply go for the Apple logo, then guys force quit. In the force quit, you choose your anti-gravity and click the option of force quit. Okay, another thing is guys, you check the status of the anti-gravity and Google APIs. For checking this, simply search Google AI Studio server. So here, okay, so I think my internet is not connected, so I'm just connected, just a second. So just keep, so now you hit enter and go for the server status. Okay, now this simply go for Google server down. Now go for the Google the down detector, and here if you find any outage during that the time that you are working, so you just wait and they will be resolved. Okay, so guys here see at the 25 June also get 7 reports, so maybe you're facing these issues. So here these are the graphs about the reports. Okay, second thing is guys, you also reduce the prompt size. Large prompts, a very large project can cause the agent to crash. So break the large task into the smaller request and avoid sending the huge log or entire repository at once. Okay, so these are the things that you can do to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.